Hello, today's lesson is about possessive nouns. As you know, I have a lot of friends. Most of my friends are married and have children. Look at this photo of Lauren's children. This is Lauren's daughter. She's 5 years old. Her name is Emma. And this is Lauren's son. He's 2. His name is Noah. This is Lauren's husband. His name is Ken. And this is Lauren and Ken's house. Look at these phrases. Lauren's daughter, Lauren's son, Lauren's husband, and Lauren and Ken's house. These are possessive nouns. They show belonging. We use an apostrophe and S to show possession for singular nouns like Lauren or friend. We also use it for possessives with 2 or more people, like Lauren and Ken. But for nouns with 2 or more syllables ending in S, just use an apostrophe. Do not use another S. Write this: Carlos's house. Not. Write this: the neighbor's house. Not.